You're supposed to be walking as Jesus walked, conformed to the image of God. Conformed to the image of Christ, amen? And so God said it was good. And then sin came into the world, and when sin came into the world, we saw that this is when we saw this falling of man, and when man fell, then they said we had a sinful nature. Well, we had a sinful nature because we were fallen, but when we get born again, we get a new nature. You see, part of the problem is that we have old covenant thinking. We're still living our lives out of the old covenant and bringing it to the new. That's why I like to use the example, and some of you have heard me say this, is that if you're in the Old Testament, it says, my ways are not your ways, and my thoughts are not your thoughts. But the New Testament says that you have the mind of Christ. So how do we buy into that? Because I've heard a lot of people preach sermons on that very thing. Well, you don't know the thoughts of God. You don't know His ways. Well, that's not true. That was an old covenant. We didn't have the New Testament wasn't written. Not only do we know His thoughts, we have some of them written down here. We get a revelation of those thoughts. And now we have the Spirit of God dwelling in us, which they did not. They had to have God reveal Him maybe through the Ten Commandments or some kind of thing that was an outward source or God coming upon them. Now today you have the living God living inside of you that now gives you the Spirit of God, the character of God, and the mind of God. Why do we keep settling for less? Because we keep telling ourselves that we're not something and we're living out of an old covenant, Old Testament mindset. It's not God's plan for us, people. And, no wonder you feel bad every day. If you go to church all the time, but you keep saying, well, you know what, I can't be anybody, I'm nobody, woe is me kind of a thing, then you're going to have a hard time feeling very good when you wake up in the morning. You're not going to have an extra pep in your step to share the gospel of Jesus Christ because you think you're nobody. But God said that you're somebody. I mean, why do we allow people to tell us they're nobody? We think it's humble somehow to tell us that we're nothing. That's not humble. Sometimes that can be prideful.